Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create an inspector view, basically a sidebar in SwiftUI for a native iOS application. So let's get started. So here you can see I have this particular hello world button, and if I click on it you can see I'm showing an inspector. So basically a sidebar pops up. So this is what the inspector view is all about, and if I press outside the inspector view it gets dismissed. So yeah, that's what this video is all about. So basically here I have taken one variable for showing on hiding the inspector view. Here is our button, and on click of it we are just toggling this particular property, set some font for this particular button, and here we are using the inspector view property. So we are just passing this particular boolean value, and here I have just taken a text to display it inside the inspector view, but you can take any SwiftUI view or create some complex SwiftUI view if you want to. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.